Hello Jay, today I will show you how to provide turn-down service in the room.
Why do we have to do that?
We do that so that when guests come back to the room after a long day at work, they will find the room tidy and bed is made. Depending on the hotel, the housekeeper may decide if they provide turn-down service to some rooms or all rooms.
Do we service all rooms in this hotel?
In this hotel, we provide turn-down service to all our club category rooms and suites. So check with your supervisor for your hotel standards. Okay, let's begin. The first thing to do is close the curtains and turn on the lights. Then, you place the TV remote near the bed, so that the guest can reach it easily. Also place the foot mat and slipper for the guest use. Then, place the doorknob breakfast menu, in case the guest wishes to pre-place the breakfast order. Also clean the bathroom and tidy up the place. Before you leave the room, check the tea-coffee maker and make sure the sachet and water is available for guests to make tea. If your hotel has a policy of placing ice in the room during turn-down service, do that as well near the minibar. Since you will give turn-down service in an occupied room, make sure you ensure the guest belongings are safe.
I feel I am learning so much every day. In this video, I learned how to provide turn-down service to occupied guest rooms. Do subscribe to the channel and continue learning with me. We have more than 12,500 people subscribed to this channel.
And if you wish to learn more, these playlists on the left will help you to keep learning more. But if you want a certificate to show off to your colleagues, go visit Clarifiedbetter.com and enroll in one of our course. Do check that out as well.
Okay, I will see you in some other video then.